In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix this file cannot be opened because of a header error in Premiere Pro. So just a few minutes back, I was trying to import an image into Premiere Pro, and as you can see, the image is being rejected here on my timeline. And I tried to drop it on my project panel and it seemed like it was going to work, but when I released it, I received this pop-up that says this file cannot be opened because of a header error. This is quite very easy to fix. All you need to do is to go over to where you have that image saved. I have it on my desktop, so I'm going to right click it and simply open it with Paint. So I'll just select open with and select Paint 3D. And all you need to do is to just come over to menu over here and save it as, just give it another name. I will save it as an image and just save it under my desktop as Paint and hit save. And right now, if I go over to my desktop over here and select this image Paint and drag it into Premiere Pro, you're going to see that it's going to be accepted.